Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystle here with the Walmart Ibotta haul, guys. I did a few deals because I'm trying to work on my bonuses. I got a Weekend Warrior bonus and I got that climb bonus. So if you got that climb bonus, once you complete that bonus in the allotted of time, then it's going to open up the next bonus, and then that one's going to open up the next bonus. So I'm super excited about it, guys. And I do believe Ibotta gave me something else, but I can't remember what it is because they had to, you know how they do with the icon, you pick two offers. So, I got to see if those bonuses have showed up yet. All right, so let's jump into the haul, guys. The first product I did was on the 3-pack of the sparkle paper towels. And I told you guys when this rebate first showed up the other day, the rebate was not attaching for some reason to the product. So I did the little thing where you send Ibotta the picture. Ibotta said they would get back to me. They send me the email saying, yes, it works now. Go buy the product. Okay. And I did. So the Sparkle Tear a Square paper towels are priced $3.98. I did not have a coupon for this, so I had to pay $3.98 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $2.98. Now, there is a Sparkle paper towel coupon that you can use, but it is for the 6-pack. It is not for the 3-pack, okay? So if you want to go on the Sparkle website, you can do that, okay? The next product I decided to get was this. These are eye drops from Walmart, Equate version, because I had any brand eye drops. These were priced 97 cents, did not have a coupon, obviously. I had to pay 97 cents in store. There is a 10-cent any eye drop rebate, making the final cost 87 cents. Now, that was worth it for me because, heck, I just might need to add that to my little first aid, little stash of medicines that I've gotten from couponing. And then the next rebate that I decided to get was, this is any brand item again, any brand sleep aid. And this was only 88 cents. And the rebate is for 10 cents, making the final cost 78 cents. So, you know, I got quite a few rebates I need to do. So I'm trying to get the cheap. I want to get my stuff I want, but I need to get them filler cheaps. Okay. All right. The next rebate, I was super excited that this rebate reset. The Safeguard $3 rebate reset for me, guys. And of course, my store had 2 products with the Peely on it. It's a buy one, get one free Peely. Yeah. So this was the breakdown. In the rebate, you've got to buy 2 of the Safeguard products. Okay. It also includes the bar soap as well. Now, this is the hand soap, priced $2.97. This is the hand sanitizer, priced $3.97. The BOGO coupon I used in store came off, the $2.97 came off. So my ultimate cost I paid in store was $3.97. Submitted my rebate to Ibotta. Ibotta gave me $3 back, making the final cost only 97 cents for both of these products. That is great. The next rebate I did, guys, was the Suave Pink Lustrous Curls. Okay, I'm saying pink because it's Suave in a pink bottle. This is the conditioner. Now, remember, this time, this is a reset for me, and it's attaching to 2 rebates like it did last time, guys. But remember what I said. You got to scan this thing in store and make sure that it is attaching to both rebates if that's what you so choose to do, okay? Now, this time, I could have sworn I got the shampoo last time, but this time it's the conditioner that is attaching. It's attaching to the rebate for the shampoo or conditioner, and that extra rebate that's picking up is the styler rebate. Okay, they are both $2 rebates. The cost in store is $4.98. If you decide to get both of those rebates, it's going to give you back $4, 2 and 2, making the final cost only 98 cents. Okay, now I don't have the Unilever coupons that people are talking about. I got to go search my email, okay? And I don't feel like it. Okay? I don't feel like it. I might do it today. I don't know. I doubt it. Next rebate I did, guys. These little stupid little nerds. I ain't eating these things, but I'm going to tell you what I might do. I might try to give them to my Richard and see if he likes them. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick them in the snack closet on the door, on the pantry door with a little snack thing that I did and see if he likes it. I don't know. If not, one of my kids will probably eat it. My grown kids might eat it. I wonder if they like nerds. I don't know. But at any rate, guys, this is a cheap rebate. That's the theme of today's video. 98 cents. This is on the candy aisle. This is the theater box. Remember, last time I got the packs that was not in a box, and it was $1.48, and it was up by the register. Now, this one was over where the actual candy is with the theater boxes. Only 98 cents. There's a 50 cents Ibotta rebate coming back. Final cost 48 cents. Not too shabby, not too shabby. And I had to get my always now. Every time these rebates reset, I have got to get it because I'm not getting coupons for this stuff. $3.97. No coupon. Had to pay $3.97. $2 Ibotta rebate. Final cost $1.97, guys. Not too shabby. This is the theme, okay? I did the little suave again. It's no need of going over that. Y'all already know the deal. Y'all know what it is. Okay. Now, heck, we're not even going to do final numbers because Crystle is trying to get to work. But I wanted to get this video up for you guys in case y'all wanted to go coupon it sometime today, all right? Now, of course, we must address the fact that the coupon crew hit over 9,000 subscribers. You guys are amazing. I appreciate every last one of you that comes on here and comments and likes and subscribes and even shares my videos. You guys are amazing. I thank you all so very much. You make this so much fun. Couponing is fun to me, okay? I would do it whether I had a YouTube channel or not, but you all make it so amazing. I've met so many funny people on here. I've met so many great people, made so many great friends, and this has been an awesome experience. And it is because of you guys. Y'all make it amazing, okay? So I hope y'all have an amazing day as well, all right? Be blessed, and remember, click to save, and you will be amazed. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.